Hello students, myself Aishwarya Dhamnekar, lecturer in Department of Science and Humanities. I am dealing with your subject Engineering Mathematics 2. In this you are having second chapter as differentiation. So in this lecture we will study some basic formulas of differentiation and derivation of sin x and cos x by using first principle and sum rule as well as product rule. So first, differentiation. Let y is equals to f of x be the any real value function where x and y be its initial value. Okay, if x is changing to x plus delta x and y is changing to y plus delta y, where this delta x and delta y are the increments in x and y. If limit of delta x divided by delta y, if delta x tends to 0 is exist, then it is called as derivative of y with respect to x, and it is denoted by dy by dx. So in next line I have given dy by dx is equals to limit of delta x tends to 0 delta y divided by delta x. So if the limit exists, then it is called as derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, so here you are having formula list for differentiation. First one, differentiation of constant is equals to 0. Let it be any constant term, 4, 5, 6. Differentiation of all constant number will be 0. And differentiation of x will be always equals to 1. Because differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Then you are having differentiation of x raised to n. So what is differentiation of x raised to n? N x raised to n minus 1. Suppose you are having x raised to 3. What is the differentiation of x raised to 3? 3 x raised to 3 minus 1. So it is 3x square. You have to subtract 1 from the power. Okay. Then you are having differentiation of e raised to x is equals to e raised to x. Then e raised to ax is equals to a e raised to ax. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Differentiation of e raised to a raised to x is a raised to x log a. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of tan x is equals to sec square of x. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. Differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec x into tan x cot x. Differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x. Then inverse function, that is differentiation of sin inverse of x is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Differentiation of cos inverse of x is minus 1 root of 1 minus x square. And differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is a formula list for differentiation. You should know these formulas while solving the problems. So first we will discuss differentiation of y is equals to sin x by using first principle. Okay. So consider y is equals to sin x as equation number 1. Okay. Then x changes to x plus delta x, and next y changes to y plus delta y, where x and y are the initial values and delta x and delta y are the increments in x and y. Okay, so substituting these values in equation number 1. So what you will get? Replace y by y plus delta y is equals to sin x plus delta x. So delta y is equals to sin of x plus delta x minus y. So delta y is equals to sine of x plus delta x minus sin x. So here we are applying sine of a minus sine of b is equals to 2 cos of a plus b divided by 2 into sine of c minus d divided by 2 formula. So what is value of a you are having? X plus delta x, and value of b is x. So in the next line, delta y is equals to 2 cos of x plus delta x plus x divided by 2 into sine of x plus delta x minus x divided by 2. So here 2 into cos x plus x is 2x plus delta x divided by 2 into sine of plus x minus x get cancelled, delta x divided by 2 divided by delta x. Okay, now taking limit as delta x tends to 0 on both the side. So just write the limit delta x tends to 0, delta y divided by delta x is equals to limit of delta x tends to 0, 2 cos of 2x plus delta x divided by 2, sine of delta x divided by 2. Now below we have done the adjustment, divide and multiply by 2. So you can cancel 2 and 2, and remaining what you are having, delta x divided by 2. Now as you know, when you are going to apply the limit of delta x tends to 0, sin theta divided by theta is equals to 1. By applying that, we can write cos of 2x plus 0 divided by 2, and that is value of delta x divided by delta x is 1. So substitute value of delta x as 0. So 2x divided by 2. So cos of x you will get. So differentiation of sin x with respect to x, you will get cos x. Fine. Similarly, you have to solve it for y is equals to cos x. Now differentiate y is equals to cos x by using first principle. So y is equals to cos x, consider as equation number 1. Then let x changes to x plus delta x and y changes to y plus delta y, where x and y are the initial values and delta x and delta y are the increments of x and y. So y plus delta, put these values in equation number 1. So y plus delta y is equals to cos of x plus delta x. So delta y is equals to cos of x plus delta x minus y. Now what is the value of y? That is cos x from equation number 1. Now here you have to apply cos a minus cos b is equals to minus 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 into sin of a minus b divided by 2. So put it in the given form. So what you will get? Minus 2 sin of x plus delta x plus x divided by 2 into sin of x plus delta x minus x divided by 2. Plus x you will get 2x plus delta x divided by 2. Plus x minus x gets cancelled. So remaining is delta x divided by 2. Now taking both the side, delta x tends to 0 as a limit. What you will get? Limit of delta x tends to 0, delta y divided by delta x is equals to limit of delta x tends to 0 minus 2 sin of 2x plus delta x divided by 2 into sin of delta x divided by 2. Now again we are doing adjustment over there, that is divide and multiply by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and what is remaining? Delta x divided by 2. Now apply the limits. So minus sine of 2x plus 0 divided by 2. Wherever you are having delta x, we have put it as 0. And when you are having limit of delta x tends to 0, sine of delta x divided by 2 divided by delta x divided by 2, you will get it as 1 by identity from the limits. So minus sine of 2x divided by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? Minus sine x. So differentiation of cos x is equals to minus sine x. So these are two important questions for 6 marks as a derivation. Okay, then you are having rules for differentiation. So any differentiation of constant term is 0, and if you are having constant term, that is k into u, differentiation of any constant term with respect to function, keep constant term outside and do the differentiation of given function. Okay, suppose you are having differentiation of 5x, keep 5 outside and differentiation of x is 1. Okay, then we will solve few examples. So first sum, if y is equals to sine inverse of x plus e raised to plus 2 e raised to 3x minus 4 root x, find dy by dx. So dy by dx, differentiation of sine inverse of x with respect to x, plus 2 differentiation of e raised to 3x divided by dx, minus 4 outside, then differentiation of root x with respect to x. So differentiation of sine inverse of x is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square plus 2, and differentiation of e raised to 3x is 3 e raised to 3x minus 4, differentiation of root x is 2 root x. So you can simplify it further, 1 upon root of 1 minus x square plus 6 e raised to 3x minus 2 root x. Fine, just you have to simplify it further. Next, second, if y is equals to tan inverse of x plus 5 log x minus 2 e raised to 3x, find dy by dx. Differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square plus 5 is a constant, differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Then minus 2 outside, what is differentiation of e raised to 3x? 3 e raised to 3x. So 2 into 3 is 6. Just simplify and write to the next line. 1 upon 1 plus x square plus 5 upon x minus 6 e raised to 3x. Okay, then next sum, if y is equals to 4 root x plus 3x square minus log x plus tan inverse of x minus cos 3x, then find dy by dx. So simplify and write it for the first step. Then 4 is a constant, differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x plus 3, differentiation of x square is 2x minus differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 plus x square minus differentiation of cos 3x is cos 3x is minus sin 3x into 3. Just do their correction and write minus sin 3x divided by 3. Okay, then simplify 2 root x plus 6x minus 1 upon x plus 1 upon 1 plus x square minus 3 into sin 3x. Just do the correction over there. Next, derivative of the product, differentiation of u into v. How to write the differentiation of u into v? U dv by dx plus v du by dx. Whenever you are having two terms, first and second, that is u into v. So that time you have to apply product rule. So first sum, if y is equals to x cube into e raised to x, find dy by dx. So x cube is a u and v is a e raised to x. So write first formula and simply substitute. U dv by dx plus v du by dx. So value of u and v put it. So x cube will be as it is What is differentiation of e raised to x? It is e raised to x plus. E raised to x is a constant, so write e raised to x as it is. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So here you can take e raised to x outside. So it is x cube plus 3x square in the bracket. Second question, if y is equals to x square plus 5x into log x, find dy by dx. Here x square plus 5x is u and log x is v. Then first write u into v rule. Again then substitute u and v in the rule. That is u du by d. U is a constant, dv by dx plus v du by dx. So u is x square plus 5x as it is. Differentiation of log of x plus log of x constant. Differentiation of x square plus 5x. So first x square plus 5x will be constant. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus log x constant. Differentiation of x square plus 5x is 2x plus 5. Then just simplify it. X square plus 5x divided by x plus 2x plus 5 into log x. This is the answer. Then last one. If y is equals to 2x plus 1 into tan x, find dy by dx. Again apply here u into v rule. That is u is a constant. Differentiation of v with respect to x plus v differentiation of u with respect to x. So 2x plus 1 differentiation of tan x plus tan x differentiation of 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 as it is. Differentiation of tan x is sec square of x plus tan x as it is. Differentiation of 2x is 2 and differentiation of 1 is 0. So 2x plus 1 sec square of x plus 2 into tan x. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, this completes your sum rule and product rule. So in the next session we will discuss quotient rule, chain rule, parametric function, implicit function and second order derivatives, that is successive differentiation. Okay, thank you.